Here's how to turn on Gmail read receipts in Google Workspace. So if you're logged in as the admin to your Google Workspace account, you need to look on the left-hand side and go to Apps. Inside of Apps, you're going to go to Google Workspace and then Gmail. This is going to load all your Gmail settings. Inside of here, you're going to go to User Settings, and then a couple down, you'll see Read Receipts. So we can edit this to show read receipts. We can allow read receipts to be sent to all addresses within your organization, as well as allowed addresses. You can allow email receipts to be sent to any email address, or you don't allow them at all. In this case, I'm going to turn it on by allowing email read receipts to be sent to any address, and I'm going to save that. Now you see most changes take effect in a few minutes. However, some changes might take up to 24 or to 48 hours. And so we click Save, and that's going to turn on email read receipts for my organization. So that's any Google Workspace email here that ends in the domain that I have set up. And so now that that's saved, I should see that take effect in Gmail. If you want to actually turn on read receipt for an email when you're composing it, check out the video in the description.